We'll go to the PGDM Banking, Insurance and Financial Services. We have Shweta Mehrotra. She is the coordinator. And Dr. Chandrasekhar is the joint coordinator. Shweta Mehrotra and Chandrasekhar, both of them are finance faculty. Shweta, yeah, you.
Very good morning to respected Director Sir, Dean Sir, my dear faculty colleagues. So I am Dr. Shweta Mehrotra. I am the coordinator for this program for the last 3 years. Before me, Ms. Kiran Mai, now she is the registrar, she was the coordinator, and before her, Dean Sir was the coordinator of this program. So you can understand how adorable this program is for this institute. This program has 120 intakes. We are running, I can say proudly, very successfully this program for last so many years. And because I'm supposed to talk about the highlights of this program, so I will say the first and the most important USP of this program is that we follow a very contemporary and state-of-art syllabus. Every year, in fact, so regularly we update the syllabus. And if you go through the alternatives, you will find we have more than 12 elective papers. So especially for those, especially if you see the yesterday news also now, Nifty 50 has also crossed 15,000. BSc also crossed 50,000, Nifty 50, 15 and BSc 50. We found there are so many students in BIF, those who are very much involved into intraday trading and one-day trading also. So what we have done, which is for the last 3 years we have started, we are taking the license from SEBI Institute, who is the market regulator in India, like USA, SEC is there. And we are taking the license and we are conducting hands-on training for them also. Every year we are doing, and students are also getting very huge profit. They are making very huge profit out of it. If you see our syllabus also, especially for BIF students, finance, those who want to select very niche area also, we have a curriculum in such a way designed that they can take also. We have an international visit, industrial visit. We have a national visit also. Every year we are going to NSC, BSc and ISM. You can find. And apart from this, we have international visit also. Because of this pandemic, we actually postponed. Before that, we went to Malaysia, Singapore, we went to OECD, Paris, and so many places. So definitely, if you will enjoy this program, you will have a great learning. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Shweta.